I wanted to show you guys these solar power lights that I received from the company. This is just like such a fun way to add some lighting to your garden. It's just turned spring here in the Northeast, and so I don't have anything in this garden bed yet, but once, it fills up with flowers, I think these are so pretty to add. This is what they look like. I am not the best at installing stuff. And this was just unbelievably simple. Like you literally just take it out of the box, put the power button on that's below it and stick it in the ground. And that's it. The solar panel will charge it during the day. So at night it's glowed really well. And then I like that you can adjust the flower petals to kind of make it however you want and the design that you want. I think this is going to look so pretty again once I have some stuff blooming, and it just is going to add some light to the area and like shine, give it a little like fun, and it is practical. Like my yard back here is really dark, and that's my driveway right behind it, so my kids kind of like will cut through and they can see now, like especially if something's left there and they didn't know. So it definitely like provides some light that is needed to help us see, to make sure we don't trip on anything. So I think it's functional as well as just like aesthetically fun and really like a cute design that adds something to the garden, and it works really easy. We've had it up for about a week now. There's been no problems at all. It was just so simple to put together. Like I would send this to anybody, somebody that is not good at putting things like this. It is like you just stick it in the ground basically. So if you are looking to add something to your garden that's like fun and give some light at night, definitely grab these.